Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on Tera FX. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's jump into it. Tera FX is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex currencies, commodities, indices, and CFDs. Their accounts feature starter, premium, ECN, pro, and corporate accounts, which all include low leverages and variable spreads. Supported platform while trading with Tera FX is available on MetaTrader 4, Android Trader, and iPhone or iPad Trader. If you ever require any assistance while on Tera FX's website, you can click on the chat support button here at the bottom right of the homepage. Submit your name and email address, and a support representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on Tera FX. Firstly, head over to their website at terafx.com. On their homepage here, you will see Open Live and Open Demo Account. Click on Open Demo Account. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have submitted your information, you will see Welcome to Tera FX UK. What you'll want to do next is head over to the email address you provided, and in the email Tera FX has sent you, simply verify your email address to continue. After you have verified your email address, you will see Welcome to Tera FX, and thank you for your registration. Next, simply head over to your email address again and follow the instructions. The email will provide your demo account information and a link to download the MetaTrader 4 platform. What you'll want to do next is download and install MetaTrader 4. Once you have downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4, submit the login information that you received in the email prior. And just like that, we're in. This is a Tera FX demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either candlestick, line, or bar charts. You can zoom in and out of the selected chart windows with the magnifying glass buttons just next to the chart types buttons. If you would like to open a new chart window into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. At the top left of the main chart windows here, we can see our quick buy and sell order window. This is where you can make quick buy and sell order executions on the selected trading instrument or currency pair. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch, which displays all of the trading instruments that Tera FX provides. In this case, it is displaying Forex currency pairs. To open an individual buy and sell order window for the selected currency pair, simply right-click on the preferred currency pair and click on New Order. This will then open an individual buy and sell order window for the selected currency pair, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. To open one of the selected pairs into its own main chart window, simply right-click on the preferred currency pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the selected pair into its own individual chart window in the center of the dashboard here. At the bottom left of the main dashboard, we can see all of the currency pairs that we have added into our main chart windows. You can switch between the individual currency pairs from here, which then get displayed in the center of the dashboard. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help section here at the top left of the dashboard. This will then display some help topics and a few video tutorials that could help you get started. Tera FX features their own economic calendar and live or recorded webinars for you to browse through as you please. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider waiting for the big moves in the market. These moves often coincide with optimum risk to reward and only occur maybe a few times a year. So instead of trading just for the sake of trading, consider possibly waiting for these new big moves in the market to occur. These moves are the ones that could potentially make the largest profits, which is one of the reasons most traders get into the markets in the first place. Spend time analyzing charts, optimizing your strategies and methods, and then following the big, larger movements. And that's how to open a demo account on Tera FX. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you're currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck!